Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and it's exciting evening on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, school them are the latest response track from Chronic Law, viewers and subscribers. Record breaking time too. One thing I like about this lyrical confrontation, we not have to wait days for the response track. As soon as this track drop, the response is being formulated simultaneously. The artists them at work, the artists at work. Jamil, you still a talk too much fiction. Now, viewers and subscribers, Chronic Law say pitney them are just feisty. We need to send them back at them yard for them do some yard raking. Recently, viewers and subscribers, we heard Jamil track and a still more fictional statements. First and foremost, I charge the name continuously, I repeat it. Listen to me, viewers and subscribers. The reason why these records are sealed is because it happened at a particular age in a Chronic Law life. But I will say this, when him name did call upon, I did arson. And nothing like well, Jamil. I tell the people in him song them. As a matter of fact, Chronic Law say after we tell you talk facts, you talk some crazy thing with your brain. I think, me no know how. I'm in a studio with thoughts of a man with him thing in him hand. Me no know what kind of meds that. We never hear nobody have meds these type of things in the dancehall music. They might take it too far out of the box. Them they weird on the shipping yard. Me no know what them a do with them thoughts they in a them brain. I confuse Chronic Law, confuse them viewers and subscribers. Them a run out of things for say them vocabulary lame. Him say Spain and Morrow we like put pan plane. Chronic Law is an artist. Always a pay respects to the Spain, but recently we see him forward in the La Vega City. We see him shoot a music video there, and record tracks for a producer based in the De La Vega area, viewers and subscribers. Recently we can say this. Jamil used to link with Quantanium. Him now link with them no more. We him still a mention Rivoli and some place at Spain. We not see Jamil recently. We don't know no happenings of Jamil. And then him go make that statement about Vybz Kartel. Yo, some artists for glad say certain things have changed in the dancehall music. Ever the one time Jamil know him jack on and a safe box down boof. I don't know make up story. We all know the settings used to be like, but you know what I mean? We have adapted and now first world style of musical dominance. I want to see you have artists, we have chat some crazy things. We not pay them no mind. A juvenile them, I just face them tasty viewers and subscribers. Them as I was saying to the young bird, they don't really know Storm. And as I got older, I realized what them really mean when that statement is made. Chronic Law say, yo, him now follow them up, them dig them own grave. Jamil fan base is a fan base and more that look this type of songs from him. Either songs for the ladies, you know, or some songs that are about life and some type of uplifting song. We gonna start link with some set of man, and these are the type of music we put out now. This is a career, this is what they call. I have a name for this. When you have a certain type of career, and just because of peer pressure, you decide to, alright, you have to step out there. And I'm brave viewers and subscribers. I ain't in my own career. This have nothing to do with bravery. One thing I can say though, he put out him response track them in a very timely fashion. Not all I can say about it. Know what I mean? And out of Jamil, Alkaline and Movado, me that say Jamil more step up to the plate. Know what I mean? That's a baseball term. So we that say more step up to the pitcher. You know what I mean? He more defend the thing for the MVP. And him a drop some songs in a very timely fashion I stated before. Alkaline, we have to wait till 6 months to get an Alkaline track. Same thing with Vado. For not 6 months or 6 weeks. You know what I mean? The fastest them will drop a track in 6 days. I mean I tell you about in a clash time. Can't take them type of lyrical confrontation. Can't them lyrical. When you're an artist you drop a track, a response track, and you're going to release 3 songs. And 3 songs don't necessarily have to do nothing with the song with the artist released before. But yes, you can agree say in a lyrical confrontation. But you can't work with that. You can't work with that. Most artists done bass in the studio already. It's like them have a home studio or them studio they're close by. When you can't record the music, man. Or when you can't even record the song them on expensive phones and send it to get the producers, them do the rest. And put it up on the platform. So all who say yo them they home and them can't, no. That is no excuse. And see it? Chronicler and Jamil has just proven that. Know what I mean? Yeah, but obviously, Jamil don't know nothing about the streets. If him talk about a certain lifestyle and talk about him a G and him friend them a G and him friend them a Ray, yet still him a say the teacher they were him there. And I do some and them type of thoughts that him a talk about. I wonder if him know say yo in nowhere in Jamaica unless you are unless you are probably in jail and you know you are an informant and then probably having a special holding. But other than that, even for the life as black, I'm more than one inmate to a cell. But you are talking about not exist, them type of lifestyle and I go on a yard. But you wouldn't know. Because you know nothing about the subject matter we are sing about. You just make it up in a song. And people who don't know or believe in a song. So look at Rasta artists. We are trying to make speech in a song. That talk about certain things, the beat when you check in the streets, him not do it. Mungla make up talk in a song. Chronicler has proven lyrical dominance. Chronicler say yo, him change the binary code and program them. Binary code and numbers, like you ever watch Matrix and you see number them in fall and it look like as a series of number. As a binary code read. And it's a series of number. It does in a program to read them. You know what I mean? All things work off a binary code, except, especially digital things. So it have a bit on a set program. Jamil, I mean a set program. Them feel like Chronicler was in that same set program to him have to do music a certain type of way or in a certain type of format. And I say no, we have that creativity. We can switch up the flow and even the style. If not talk about cadence or not talk about melody, wanna feel like say we have that style as well. And the new response track viewers and subscribers I show fans say these artists can switch them style up at any given time. I will tell Jamil say you're the whole heap of flow and the sing that now have nothing to do with a lyrical confrontation. We are talking about what you say. Hardcore lyrics we want to hear. We don't want to hear you sing to the people, but don't want to sing to me. Hardcore lyrical confrontation. And him switch up the style in the recent track. Unless I sing flow among them talk some things. It's just that the thing them talk fictional. And gimmicks. And more things to make you laugh. But him focus more upon the lyrics in him recent track. Chronicler do the same. Every time he get a critique, him look for the people must say, analyze what them say and say, alright, we are got a drawing board and we are going to address some of the matters that we hear the fans them talk about. And they must say they want just a little bit more flow from Chronicler. They must say they want less from Jamil, but they want some more flow and a little bit more cadence from Chronicler. School let him do it tonight. And show them how you use it in a wartime settings. Because it can be used in a wartime setting, but you have to know how to do it. You have to be from the streets. You have to know something you can say yes and make the streets laugh without feeling like say use a gimmick. Yeah, if you can find a way to do that, it's a fine line. When a lyrical confrontation, if you walk it, artists like Bounty has mastered that. Bounty can make you laugh off him lyrical opponent without you feel like say your Bounty is a gimmick. Young guy look into him and say a real thing, I talk about them, you know. And you laugh, you all a joy, but you never feel like say, ooh, Bounty them, a clown. Jamil talk something in a theme track where at the end of the day you have to say, yo, Rasta you tell like him a clown. Something we matter about. Who say them thing there? Now lyrical confrontation. I dig him one grave. Right now I can tell you say him probably gain a few new fans. But him core fans have already left. The core fans them I listen to him sing them like House Pan Hill. Them top listening now. Them not sing a song like that. The worst thing you can do is have dreadlocks and not sing no uplifting music. People don't want to hear you. Look on down here. You can't dreadlocks your head and now put out one, good music. Secondly, no uplifting music. Now we are doing dreadlocks. Joke settings. And dancehall is an industry like this. We will watch you put on your disguise, but don't feel like say you trick with. We will watch you put on your disguise. Probably even listen to your song them too. But don't feel like say you have deceived us. Your deception no work. We know you. And we know a clown. We must say it's a small island. Somebody is a friend of somebody who know you. I know say no, I'm not in the them a grow. One thing we can say though, yeah, people know him say him a write him own music. So him just need to write some better songs. But I say the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, viewers and subscribers. And I'm reminding you now, If you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right us up on the platform, viewers and subscribers. You know how there's something. Go the like icon there. So drop a like on the blog from your ear with like with your ear. The share icon there to say you can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them anywhere them there on the planet. Just via the share icon, you can make them say or no to the vlog. Drop comment section open. You want them join the comment section. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You know the settings, and for those who don't, you man now move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love, and prosper. Until we reason again.